Hi, Arithmetic Progression class 10th exercise 5.3. Find the sum of APs. Before I go to find the sum, let me introduce the formula for sum. N, that is sum, or directly you can take as a yes. N by 2, n is nothing but number of terms. 2a is the first term plus n minus 1 into d is the formula for to find out the sum. The Sn you can also write as a yes only. So this I can alter with the little change, that is n by 2. We know the a, I'll split the 2a into a plus a. Okay, a plus a is nothing but 2a, so remaining let's write the same thing. We know what is a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to an, that is nth term, right? So a plus the whole things change into an, since a plus n minus 1 into d is an. So this is also formula for Sn when nth term is given. When nth term is given. Okay, so nth term is the last term. We have one more formula, n by 2 a plus l, last term. We got three formulas to solve Sn. That's the sum of AP. Of course, the application level problems are being deleted this year. So rest problem exercise 5.3. The first question is find the sum of the following APs. That is, the question is 2, 7, 12 to dash 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 to 10 terms. What does it mean? Writing from the 2, 7, 12, we have to write 10 terms, up to 10 terms, and we have to make a sum of that. We have to add 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus what would be the next number, 17 plus 22 plus etc etc, up to 10 terms we have to add. Okay, so Sn formula we must use. Before that, we know a is equal to 2 first term, d 7 minus 2, that is a2 minus a1, or 12 minus 7 also you can, that is 5. N is equal to up to what terms? N is equal to up to 10 terms. Let me write the formula. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Once you apply the formula, substitute the values. N is nothing up to 10 terms. If you want, you can write n is nothing but 10 by 2. 2a, what is the a value? That is 2 plus n again it's a 10 minus 1. Let me substitute first, then d is nothing but 5. Okay, 10 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are, let us simplify. 2 2s are 4, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 5s are 45. Okay, 4 plus 45 is 49. 5 49s are 5 9s are 45. 4 5 4s are 20, 24. 245 is the answer. 245 is the answer. So if I keep on adding 2 plus 7 plus 12 up to 10 terms of an AP, the sum will come to 40. If you want, you can calculate up to 10 terms. 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus 17 plus keep on adding 22 plus 27, 32, 1 2 3 4, such a way. Okay, 10 terms you can add, you will get the 245 only. Let us go for the second problem. Find the sum of given below. 7 plus 10 of plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 84. If you look at here, the last term is given. What is the last term? 84. So which formula we will use here? See, when L is nothing but a last term, we can use the nth term also. S is equal to n by 2, or Sn also you can consider a plus L, where a is 7, we know. D is equal to 10 of minus 7. 10 of, convert into a improper fraction. 2 tens are 20, multiplication plus 1. 221 by 2 minus 7. Denominator is 1, take as a 2. 21, so 2s are 14. This is 7 by 2. The d will come as a 7 by 2. D value is 7 by 2. The last term is 84. Arithmetic progression is so easier problems. N by 2, n is nothing but what is the number, up to what numbers? N is not given here. So before I go for the Sn formula, let me use the An formula. That is because a plus n minus 1 into d. We need to find out the n. An we know that's the 84. What is a? A is 7 plus n we do not know. We need to find out d. D we got as a 7 by 2. Okay, 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7. N minus 1, 7 by 2. This is the rough work I'll be doing here. Okay, we need to find out the n. Unless we find n, we cannot find out the sum here. Okay, because we need the n up to what term? 84. 84 minus 7 is 77. Okay, n minus 1, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 when get comes here, gets reciprocal. 7 ones are 7 11s are 11 twos are 22. N is equal to 22 minus 1 when carried other side, that is 23. So n is equal to 23 by 2. N value we got, let me write, add here, n is equal to 23. Remember, we are using an formula here to find out the n number of terms. How many terms are there? Okay, a is nothing but 7. L last term is 84. 7 plus 84 is 91 into 91. Multiply and divide it. You'll get the answer. 2093 divided by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 zeros are 2 fours are 8, 2 6 are 12.5, 1046.5. Okay, let us go for the next problems. That is the problem number 3. In an AP given, what are the things given? Write the data. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An is equal to 50. Find N and Sn. See, it's clearly said. First we have to find the N. To find the N, we know the formula. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, A given 5, D is given 3, N is given 50. We can easily find out n value. A 5 plus n we do not know. D is nothing but 3. Okay, 50 minus 5, 50 minus 5, n minus 1 into 3, 50 minus 5 is 45 into 3 when comes here, divided by 3 ones are 3, 15s are 15. N minus 1 comes out here, plus 1, that is 6. N is equal to 6. The value of n is, sorry, not 6, 16. And value of n is 16. So using this n, we need to find out Sn. Okay, we can use the another formula because the an is given. We know the some formula. A plus an, n by 2, n is nothing but 16 by 2. A given 5, an is the last term, 50, right? 2, how many? 2 ones are 2 8s are 55. 8 into 55, 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 44, 440. Answer is 440. Okay, let's solve the second problem. Given a is equal to 7, a 13 is equal to 35. Find d and s 13 up to 13 terms. Okay, so s 13, sn is 13, n is equal to 13, n is equal to 35. Find d. To find the d, first we, here also we must use the formula. An is equal to a plus n into d, because we know a 13, n we know, n value know, s value know, a value we know, but we do not know the value of d. An is equal to 35. A 7 plus n is nothing but n is given, n is the this term, n is equal to 13 minus 1. D we do not know, we need to find out. 35 minus 7, 13, 12 d. 35 minus 7, that is 28. 12 divided by 2 6 are 2 14s are 2 3s are 2 7s are. So d is equal to 7 by 3 is the value. So Now find out the S13. S13, I'm using formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an, or 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All right. Sn, we must find out up to 13. 13 by 2, n value is 13. We'll come to know by here n value 2a. 2 into a is 7 plus n minus 1. N is 13 minus 1 into d is 7 by 3. Okay, 13 by 2, 2 sevens are 14. 13 minus 1, 12. All you need to is simplify. That's it. 3 fours are 12, 4 sevens are 28. 13 into, I'll write a shortcut. 7 fours are 28, 25, 14, 32, 42. 2 ones are 2, 21s are 31s are 13, 1, 32s are 26, 27. That is 273. The sum is 270.